Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Samson. I am the roadman, and in today's video I'm actually going to be showing you one of the beautiful houses right here in Kingsland. Kingsland is one of the gated communities right here in Lusaka, Zambia. One of the best gated communities that you ever get to see in Zambia. And here in Kingsland, I'm going to show you one of the houses, how they are built, how they look like, how much they are going at. It's all coming up. So remember, if you're new to my channel, kindly consider subscribing. Okay, so make sure that you also turn on the bell notification so that whenever I do actually post a new video, you should not miss any single of my uploads. So this is the beautiful house that we'll be touring today here in Kingsland City. We are going to take advantage so that I show you guys around how beautiful this house is, okay, and how much such are actually going at right here in Kingsland City. Remember, you can also give super thanks to my videos, and I'll really appreciate. Thank you so much. So let's go.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste.
So this side you can actually find very big houses. Like you can see here, there's this beautiful house. You can see how beautiful it is, guys. Very big, nice mansion from there. Okay, are you able to see the beautiful house, guys? You can see from here, it's very nice. And it seems this, you can see how beautiful it is. See that? These are some of the houses which you can find here in Kingsland City. Okay, look at that. Very beautiful houses. Can you see that, guys? That's some beautiful house actually. Let's see. You can see from here how beautiful this is going to be. Okay, look at that. The whole lot of this is actually a sitting room here, and then there's actually a dining room here. You know, the kitchen part. This side. Okay, laundry there. You can see how it is. Okay, this is just a quick view of the house that you can see here. Okay, look at that. These are some of the beautiful, so you can actually go out from this side. Okay, so this is, guys, what they are calling a shell. Okay, so this is a shell, but you can see there's another beautiful big sitting room here, and there's also somewhere where you can put your things right there. Let's see on top. Okay, so this is a house. Very affordable house. Okay, you can see here again, we've got a very nice seating arrangement. Okay, very nice seating arrangement. Very nice. And here again, there's a balcony out there. You want to get some fresh air, you can actually come there. Okay, you can see how beautiful these houses are. And then here you've got the bedrooms. There's one bedroom here, and you can see how big it is. Okay, can you see that? And look at that beautiful view over there. Very nice, isn't it? Okay, and here again, there's, of course, there's the toilet there, and the bathroom as well. And here you have another beautiful room, you know, look at that. So these are actually the best big houses that you can actually find here in Kingsland, guys. Okay, so a quick sneak into one of these bedrooms. But you can see there's another bedroom over here with wow, look at these, guys. Okay, look at the beautiful bathroom over here. Amazing, nice. Okay, and you can see the big toilet there. Wow, very nice, very nice. And then look at the view here. Take a look at that view. Okay, very beautiful. Wow, so this is one of the houses in Kingsland City, not yet occupied, so that's why I quickly took a tour of it. Okay, just to have a look at let's see, going outside now, you can see from the entrance there. Wow, this is beautiful, guys, very beautiful. And there's your swimming pool over there. You can see the swimming pool. And this is the view from the balcony here. Okay, I think this is amazing, guys. This is a very nice house. So it's one of those beautiful houses that are being sold right here at Kingsland. Okay, so those with money, you can actually contact Kingsland for these beautiful apartments. Okay, and yeah, so that you get to actually view this beautiful house. Look at the lights there, beautiful chandeliers. Right, wow, very nice houses. Okay, so let's get down. Let's get down. See the stairs, beautiful stairs actually. Look at that. Guys, this is a massive house. Wow. Okay, so this has been a very beautiful tour of this big mansion here at Kingsland City. Okay, a very nice house, one of those that are being sold. Okay, and then there's still a bit of space there, as you can see. There's a very big space actually there. Okay, look at that beautiful house. Look at that. Very nice. Your garage here. Very nice house, guys. Okay, take a look. All right, look at the ground. The surroundings are very beautiful. Okay, I love this house, guys. Okay, and this is the main road, as you can see there. Okay, so it's well gated, so actually has a very beautiful fence, and there's power there, electricity on top, a beautiful fence, you know, very, very nice actually. Okay. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you so much for coming back to my YouTube channel to watch this particular video. Hope you've enjoyed a tour of this beautiful, beautiful house here in Kingsland City. I hope you have, because I actually did. You know, touring these beautiful mansions gives me, you know, that beautiful feeling. So I actually enjoyed this. Is a very nice house here. This is just one of those houses in Kingsland City, but you can actually come here at Kingsland City and they are going to show you more beautiful houses, beautiful actually than this one. Okay, beautiful houses which you can actually enjoy, and where you can actually spend your money. And if you spend your money that way, I'm actually going to say you've spent it wise. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful for coming back. Remember to subscribe, like this particular video. I'll see you next time. My name is Samson. I am the Roadman. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you next time.